We are going to talk about hair today. Well, sis, hindi naman ibig sabihin na kung kunyari, ngayon hindi ko schedule sa pagligo pero pawis na pawis ako dahil nag-workout ako. So, conscious ako lagi sa hair ko. Parang nakaganon lang daw sa mukha ko lagi kasi wala nga. Hi guys! Kamusta kayo? So, as you can see in the title, we are going to talk about hair today. I decided to do this Q&A because I get a lot of questions about my hair. So, kung naalala ninyo, a few days ago, I posted on my stories, parang hit me up with questions about hair. Ang daming nagdi-DM sa akin asking kung ano yung mga ginawa ko para mabuhay ulit yung buhok ko. Kasi parang napansin ng karamihan sa inyo na parang namatay yung buhok mo dati, Malaya, sobrang stiff ng hair mo, lalong-lalo na when I was still working in Manila. Yes, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung mga pictures dito. Ayan siya. Sobrang stiff talaga niya, guys. Parang ayaw niya gumalaw. Pero anyway, before we start, disclaimer lang, I am not a hair expert. Lahat ng sasabihin ko, mga sagot ko sa mga questions ninyo are based on my experience. Okay? So, let's start with the first question. Sabi dito ni, Shay is real. How often do you color your hair? Well, before, when I was still working in Manila, I color my hair, I think, once every 2 months. Kasi kailangan. Nag-iit bulaga ako dati, so everyday ako nasa TV. And you have to be presentable when you're on TV. So, dapat maayos yung buhok mo, yung suot mo, ganyan-ganyan. So, conscious ako lagi sa hair ko. Pag napapansin ko na medyo 1 centimeter long na yung tumutubo na black hair ko, yung natural black hair ko, pumupunta agad ako sa hair shaft. If you guys can remember, sila yung salon na lagi kong pinupuntahan sa Manila. So, yun nga, once every 2 months. Pero, since lockdown last year, around March, I stopped coloring or dyeing my hair. So, I decided to just grow my natural black hair kasi naawa na ako sa kanya. Naging sobrang stiff, dry, and frizzy talaga siya. Alam niyo yung pag nagko-commute ako, talagang nagtatangle yung hair ko, tas ang hirap niyang suklayin. It was a struggle, especially dati na nasa Maynila ako, minsan nag-aangkas talaga ako, as in sumasakay ako ng motor papunta sa location namin, and then si Mama Angie, yung gumagawa ng buhok ko everyday sa Itbulaga, talagang sobrang struggle talaga yung pag-fix niya ng hair ko. Again, to answer your question, once every 2 months. So, next question is from Andy Fine. Seized how to maintain your long hair nga dili siya magdull and frizzy. I have been using this product. This is the Dove Straight and Silky with Keratin Tri-Silk Serum. And sa totoo lang, since ginamit ko to, my hair has become healthy. Talagang nag-improve yung hair ko. Unti-unti nang bumabalik yung straightness ng hair ko. So, tingnan niyo siya. Take a closer look of my hair. It's healthier. Well, hindi siya super perfect kasi dito may kulay pa siya. Pero ayan, hindi na siya stiff. May buhay na siya, mga sis. Ayan o, nagsisway-sway na siya. Hindi yung parang basta ganon. You get my point and you have seen my previous photos na ganon yung hair ko dati. Ayan. Love it. So, try Dove, sis. So next, galing kay Jana San Pedro. Gaano nyo po katagal pinapahaba yung buhok nyo dati? Okay, to answer this question, buyag-buyag lang yun. Puwera usog, mabilis po humaba yung buhok ko. So I can show you pictures. This one, very short yung hair ko. This was last year around March hanggang February of this year. February 2021. Ganyan po kahaba yung buhok ko at naging sobrang dry na talaga yung buhok ko. Sobrang boring ko na tignan. So from this one, this is February of this year. Kasi sinabi kasi sa akin ng friend ko, ano ba yung buhok mo? Parang ang dry-dry na, wala ng shape sa mga pictures, straight lang. Tapos parang nakaganon lang daw sa mukha ko lagi. Kasi wala ngang shape, walang volume. So yun yung reason kung bakit ako nagpa-cut February of this year. So, ayan na. At ngayon, eto na siya. O, diba? Mahaba na siya. Medyo mahaba na siya. Mabilis talaga humaba yung hair ko, mga sis. So, we are down to our last question, mga sis. This one is from Barbie Doll. Unsaon pagbuhi sa patay nga hair? Paano buhayin ang patay na buhok? well, seized. First na ginawa ko talaga is I let my natural hair grow. Ayan siya. Yung walang kulay, yung black na yan hanggang dito. Second is, of course, stop dyeing or stop bleaching your hair. Next is use the right products for your hair. And as for me, I only use this Dove Keratin Tri-Silk Serum Straight and Silky kasi hiyang talaga yung buhok ko dito. And it is very important to know the ingredients of the products that you're using. It's not enough na nakikita mo lang sa commercial na sobrang perfect, ang ganda ng effect sa model, o kaya nababasa mo sa Facebook without actually knowing what the product is made of. You have to experience it yourself, or you have to do at least research about the products that you're using. Look how straight and smooth my hair is using this pink ribbon. I have been using the Dove Straight and Silky with Keratin Tri-Silk Serum for quite some time now, and my hair definitely feels soft, it's straight, and it also smells so good. And yung Dove kasi guys, meron siyang Keratin Tri-Silk Serum. And keratin is a very common ingredient sa mga hair products because it effectively smoothens the hair and it becomes easier to manage. And I'm so happy kasi na-maintain ko na yung healthy hair ko with the help of Dove. There you go mga sis and orbs. I hope that you learned something from me today. And please don't be shy to comment down below kung meron kayong mga tips on how to grow a healthy hair. I'd also love to learn from you. There you go guys. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Thank you so much for watching. Again, this is me, Malaya. And I'll see you on my next one. Bye!